Hi guys, my name is Alec Bailey, and today I'm going to be going over some of the basics of nanotechnology, which probably has the most potential of any of the fields of research to change our world going into the future. Nanotechnology was first conceptualized by physicist Richard Feynman, who is widely considered to be the father of nanotechnology. Feynman gave a talk on nanotechnology called There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom on December 29th, 1959, at the American Physicists Society. It wasn't until 1944 that the phrase nanotechnology was coined by Professor Norio Taniguchi. In the 1980s, nanotechnology was able to take off due to the invention of the scanning tunneling microscope in 1981, which for the first time allowed scientists to see particles at the atomic scale. K. Eric Drexler published his book, Engines of Creation, The Coming Era of Nanotechnology in 1986, and helped start the Foresight Institute to raise awareness and educate people about nanotechnology. The National Nanotechnology Initiative defines nanotechnology as a science and engineering and technology conducted at the nanoscale, which is about 1 to 100 nanometers. Scientists use two main approaches when researching nanotechnology. The top-down approach uses larger devices to assemble smaller devices and smaller devices until you are constructing on a nanoscale. The bottom-up approach uses progressively larger and larger devices by constructing smaller ones atom by atom. One way scientists can manipulate individual nanostructures is with the atomic force microscope. The extremely sharp tip of the cantilever, seen on the left, allows scientists to adjust the nanostructures with precision. Meanwhile, a laser is reflected off the back of the cantilever and picked up by photodetectors and gives the operator an image of the surface he is adjusting. The first applications of nanotechnology actually came in the medieval era, when artists unknowingly used different sized silver and gold particles to create some of the different hues seen in stained glass windows. As of 2008, the project on emerging nanotechnologies predicted only about 800 products that included some sort of nanotech were publicly available. This number is not likely to have changed too drastically because they approximated only 3 to 4 new products were hitting the market each week. It is currently used in sunscreen or cosmetics, as well as some food packaging and clothing. However, the possibilities are seemingly endless with nanotech. Nanotech could be used for products ranging from a straighter flying golf ball to bandages that can heal cuts faster using silver nanoparticles, or cleaner burning diesel engines as well. In a 2016 interview with Nanotechnology World Network, Eric Drexler speculated that a computer with computing power comparable to the ones we have today could be produced at the size of 1 cubic micron, which is approximately 1/1000th the size of a human cell. Take that in for a second. A computer with approximately the same computing power as the ones we have today at 1/1000th the size of a human cell. That sounds amazing to me. Although nanotechnology is still a burgeoning industry, there are already some worries with regard to health and safety of humans and the environment. Some nanoparticles used in clothing contain bacteriostatic silver particles, which can be washed off the clothing and kill bacteria in some ecosystems. Inhaling airborne nanoparticles can cause some pulmonary diseases. Some people also speculate a number of doomsday scenarios are possible, like the Grey Goose scenario, in which self-replicating nanotech robots grow out of control and can consume the entire environment. Various organizations and individuals have been calling for some regulation to be put in place to avoid some of the negative effects of nanotech, but as of now, little has been done. There is insufficient funding for these regulations to be enforced, and there's still a debate as to who should be responsible for regulating the industry. Thank you. I hope you found this all interesting.
What's up, Alex? Yeah, just as you finished.
All right.